Goes this Impala 94. Got the stereo straightened out on it. Cleaned and detailed it up. It's the one I did the dash on a couple weeks ago. Cleaned the door jambs. Found an extra armrest for that door panel over there. Needs one over here. I don't have an extra one for this one right now. But this thing's gonna get I'm gonna go through it in the future. Door panels. Match up the trim with the paint. Right here. All the plastic on the doors. But anyways, that'll be down the road a little bit. Let's see where I left off on the last video about the stereo. I was showing the problem I was having with the fuse holder. So all these years, 25 plus years later, I'm still learning on how to do things better. I know now, well, I know I never want to use these type fuse holders again. I'm going to only use the ones with a bolt. I just had my coffee. These are my first words for the day. Excuse me. But, yeah, it's the wire that was shoved in this other side. And it looks like somewhere along the line, the little spacer got lost. Anyways, them loose wires were probably arcing in there. So got a nice solid bolt on with the hydraulic cramped copper terminals, the heat shrink. So good solid connection here. Did the 370 amp alternator. I think this is the JS alternator. All the wiring nice and clean. It did require a smaller belt because the pulley was a 1/2 inch smaller. I'll show you the part number for that belt next. I got the big 3 upgrade, 0 gauge ground, and of course going to the alternator. And this part number, and those measurements down there, if you can't read them, are 13/16 by 63 5/8. Belt seems a little tight, but pretty sure it's the next size down from the original. I don't know if you have anything else in between. And we had a mess in the trunk on the last video. I was going to do something completely different over here, box this in. I have a feeling he'll be getting a bigger battery in the near future. Same up front. And go excess power in the front and back would be nice. And you can build all this board, a whole floor here that goes up with this piece. It's basic, but I still like to do something nice and solid and clean. I did space the amps up higher so they get a little air up under them. I do have screws in the connectors. These wires aren't going anywhere. Didn't like it over here, but went ahead and made a little shelf for this one too. Again, it's got spacers. And it's solid. The whole car shakes when you grab any of this. It's not going anywhere. So yeah, took the trunk seal off and bent the metal back straight. A bunch of it was uneven. Just got the speaker box to wrap next. Just put some carpet on it so it matches. Have a little clean look. Four Skar 12s. Alright, I'll come back with one more. I guess I'll do a demo video. So expect that in the next couple days. Thanks for watching. Peace.